Anyway, what's up guys, it's your girl Nala Forever. Yeah, so somebody decide to say they want to walk up and down. I don't know who, but them decide to say they want to walk up and down. I'm going to tell them someone use the bathroom, and I know it's kind of dark, but still. The person said they want to walk up and down.
After me not control.
Him know some me go want come. I'ma tell him someone want to use the bathroom, and I know him don't even acknowledge the fact someone want to use the bathroom.
There. Right here. Real Jamaican bathroom, you know?
You alone are go and go piss that bush.
I don't do that anymore.
You ever see me do that? Him lie? I never yet do that.
I guess stop.
I never yet do that. Don't tell any lies on me.
Right, so national flag, you know it.
Yeah, so him decide to walk up and down, and I honestly not see the reason for
Wiggle and wiggle.
You can't call me a tail because you know something I want to follow you. So we're not watching. We're supposed to do that.
No, but tail.
Go now? We're supposed to do the beach, but him want to walk up and down for some reason. I'm going to tell you, say it hot. Him just a walk up and down for no reason. I'm gone in another store. But anyway, why this the end of the way? Shona Bochi. I'm not laugh with you.
Yeah, money.
He have money, but we have to go push him for spend. Push him for spend. But can we do in here, right?
Yes.
Oh.
Long as they don't put me in your video. I want you to video in here.
Yeah.
Don't put me in there, no. I step on it. Yeah, go pay me money. You want that? $20.
$20?
Sorry, man.
USA dollar?
Yeah.
The money there.
Are you a store?
But him want come give me one, like this pen will look like Dookie on camera. I'm outside of bad. Don't put it in and stop me, you know? Come and say. Ooh. No, I'm outside. I'm just a walk up and down first. I'm just a walk up and down first. Okay, so I guess him finally buy some after all of them walk up and down there. I guess we invite for me. Isn't he sweet? He just buy it for me. Like, I really need a carry on too, so that good. So after the me that complain, say I walk up and down too much and buy something for me. So yeah. But I'm still hungry though.
Sure. I get some for you, man. We'll make it look so. You know, go to the corner shop. Let's have it. Virtual. No, let's walk around, man. Game.
Yeah, I think yeah, go back at the beach now. So finally I get to go back at the beach now. So yeah. So after all of that complaining there, cussing there, him end up buying something for me. Woo!
That way.
Shamaria, you're tall enough. So I feel I
Yeah,
hold up
I
the
know
camera
I'm
and then
tall.
the whole of my third I'm a bun the out.
You know what else is tall?
Cut.
See?
Cut. Yeah, so we're at the beach now, guys. Where this name?
Pack up a shit for me, man. That